So before I start the video, I want to explain what it is that you all will see in the video. And basically, it is Dion Jr. the day after he was born. Part of the newborn's first 24 hours is a hearing test in which Dion Jr. did fail on his left side. And so we were told that we had to go to, well, we had to take a piece of paper to his first doctor's appointment, and they would, test his hearing again and compare it to the results from the day after he was born. So we did that, which you'll see in the video. You'll see the first test. The second test we didn't get to record because it happened so fast. But I will explain. In the second hearing test, he did pass, but it was a really low level. So she told me that he would have to come back in 2 weeks to get tested again. So technically he failed the test twice. Now, I also got a letter from the Virginia Health Department, and I'll read to you what that letter said. I will update you guys once he gets his hearing tested again and explain to you all, why he failed, if they can explain that, or if he passes the next one. So I'm going to read to you really quick what the letter they sent me said, and then from there, you'll watch the video and you'll see us in the next one. So the letter from the Virginia Health Department says, "Congratulations on the birth of your baby. You have the chance to help your baby get off to a sound start. As required by law, the facility where your baby was born reported the newborn hearing screening results to the Virginia Department of Health Early Hearing Detection and Intervention Program. Your baby failed the hearing screening. Based on your baby's hearing screening results, your baby should have been screened for congenital cytomegalovirus." I don't know how to say that, but CCMV. And it says, "Contact your primary care provider for more information about CCMV and the screening process and discuss the next steps." So basically, that's the letter they sent to us. And like I said, he went to his first appointment. He passed it with a number 2, which she said that was low and that we needed to get tested again. I don't think he got tested for that CCMV thing, because if he did, I would know it. He did not. So I guess that'll be the next steps if he fails his third hearing test, which we have not done yet. And now I will get into the video.
Get the hiccups. Got the hiccups. Oh no. Usually when it gets right up to the green and they hiccup, it goes down. A challenge.
Am I?
No, you're not. It's this rubbery kind of the way it's angled. I'll just like set it in there.
So today is the baby's first doctor's appointment. We get 5 minutes up the street from the actual doctor's office, and I realized that I forgot to grab his paperwork. The stuff they told me to bring, I forgot it. So we're late. Daddy taking forever.
Yeah, I got it. Getting a DNA test.
Why?
You don't deserve him.
He came out my
No,
butt.
he didn't. That was somebody else.
No. You mad at me?
No, I'm joking.
Y'all, Dion's mad at me. Tell him what happened.
You lost my AirPod and you didn't care about me.
He dropped his AirPod in the car, and he wanted to look for it
Yeah.
while we on the way to the doctor. We already late. Not to
Because of
mention,
who?
they know why we late. They already know.
They don't know why we late.
They do
we
know
late.
why. I told them why we were late.
Why we were late?
Because I left the paperwork by mistake.
Hmm.
And then he dropped his AirPod and wanted to look for it while he was driving with our kid in the car. So I got mad.
But you can't. Talk to your people, man.
Can't
Don't
see
watch
him.
me
I thought
watch
you was
TV.
gonna show him
No,
with your one sock.
I got 2 socks on, but just one showing. Why are you checking me out? The people want to see you, not me.
They want to see the baby. Show them the baby.
Man.
Yes.
You like that side?
Mm-hmm.
You hollering at me? Alright, y'all have a blanket?
Yes.
Now, it's you, Mom, that has a sensitive stomach?
Yeah,
Both
both.
of us.
Both of you?
Yeah.
So y'all haven't been here before?
No, my aunt actually comes to her 2 kids.
Oh, okay. Who is that?
Cotton.
Cousins. Yes. Yes. So we see your second cousin.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Oh, well, I'm gonna pass you this way before anything comes out of there.
You gonna keep the milk? Hey, boo boo. Say, Mama, look like you got milk.
Yep.
You did. You alright?
He hates the cold. So apparently I forgot to film an outro as well. Need to explain the reason why the video cut off where it did is because the doctor caught me recording. She said I wasn't allowed to record because of the doctor's office, like their company, their rules say that you're not allowed to record. So I had to stop. But nonetheless, I already explained to you all what it is that happened at that doctor's appointment. But I just wanted to come in really quick and say thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for our next video. Also, before I go, I know y'all want to see the baby. He is 3 weeks old as of today, which is January 21st. So let me show you all him really quick, and then I will end the video. I know I already said bye, but I want to show y'all him really quick.